Oh yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, welcome back into another extra scenes video, and you might have checked that in the description below, the first video, because it's Stormy night. And I'm gonna show you extra scenes of it, so you have a longer view of it. So let's get into it. Alright. So here's Zach right here. This is my mom's and dad's bed, and my bed's right here. So let's put Zach. Oh, no, just leave it. And this is our, curtain. Just open that curtain, and you can see in my window, it's storming outside. Before it was strong, but now it has calmed down a bit. So I'm gonna open the window for you guys. It's hard to see. Very good. Look at this stormy night. It's literally raining. The storm has calmed down a bit, but it's still raining hard. Yeah, we've got some trees there. There's the bottom. That's crazy, guys. It's raining hard. Like crazy. Yeah, you take that video. Now I'm gonna close it because I'm gonna get wet from that rain. Storming there. Yeah, guys, you can see here in the window. That's what it looks like in the window. Oh, there. And the other side. Well, that's basically it, guys. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.